What if I told you that the right side hustle in 2026 could not only boost your income but also accelerate your investment journey? Imagine using your side income to grow your wealth without sacrificing your precious time. These days, the most effective side hustles aren't just about earning extra cash, they're about creating digital revenue streams that work for you around the clock. If you're looking for ways to make money while investing it wisely, keep watching. In this video, I'll share 5 amazing side hustles that can help you earn more and invest more. Ready to take control of your financial future? 1. AI Workflow Architect for small businesses. Do you want to help small businesses thrive and get paid to automate their processes? The world of AI is rapidly evolving, and small businesses are starting to feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of technology available. They don't need a full-time AI developer, but they certainly need help setting up simple AI systems to streamline their operations. Many small business owners struggle to keep up with the administrative tasks that take up valuable time, and that's where AI workflow architects come in. The job of an AI workflow architect is to step in and use simple tools like Zapier or Make to automate tasks like booking appointments, responding to customer inquiries, or following up on invoices. You don't need to be a coding expert. No-code tools are perfect for this role. These platforms allow you to create automated workflows that integrate with the software systems businesses already use, providing a seamless experience for both business owners and their customers. What makes this side hustle so attractive is its recurring income potential. Once you set up the automation for a business, they'll pay you a monthly retainer to keep everything running smoothly. This typically ranges from $300 to $500 per month per client, and once the systems are in place, the work is minimal. You only need to make adjustments if the business needs changes or if something isn't working correctly, which means you can manage multiple clients simultaneously. The best part? Since the work is mostly automated after setup, you can allocate around 90% of this income into dividend ETFs, creating a steady, low-risk stream of passive income. By offering this service to local businesses, like dentists, lawyers, or even smaller retail shops, you create a lucrative side hustle that works for you and generates income that can be reinvested into assets that grow your wealth. It's a win-win. You help businesses save time and money, while also building your own passive income streams over time. 2. Faceless Niche Newsletter Curator. In today's world, the internet is flooded with AI-generated content. But here's the thing, people still crave human curation. They want content that's personalized, insightful, and worth their time. This is where faceless niche newsletters come into play. Starting a newsletter focused on a very specific niche can generate steady income and offer opportunities for high-margin digital revenue. Let's say you're passionate about a very specific topic. Maybe it's green hydrogen technology or AI tools for interior designers. Platforms like Substack or Beehive make it easy to start your own newsletter, where you can build an audience and monetize your knowledge. These platforms allow you to manage everything from content creation to subscriber management, making it simple for anyone to jump into the newsletter game. The key to success with faceless newsletters is finding a niche that's both unique and in demand. Once you've identified your niche, your content should be informative, engaging, and designed to offer real value to your readers. With consistent effort and quality content, your subscriber base will grow, and so will your revenue potential. As your newsletter grows, you can monetize it through sponsorships or advertising. Companies targeting specific audiences will pay to have their products or services featured in your newsletter, providing a steady source of income. Once your newsletter starts generating revenue, you can use that income to fund investments in fractional collectibles or even art. This approach treats your newsletter like a capital generator, investing your income from it into assets that grow in value over time. By reinvesting profits into appreciating assets, you create multiple income streams. The beauty of a faceless newsletter is that it's scalable, requires minimal effort once set up, and is perfect for people looking to leverage digital platforms to generate income. Since you're not involved in the content creation process directly, you can focus on strategic growth and automation, freeing up your time for other projects or interests. The more specialized your niche, the higher the potential for revenue, making it a low-maintenance yet profitable way to earn passive income. 3. UGC User-Generated Content for Tech Startups. In 2026, startups are struggling to build trust in a world dominated by AI bots and automated content. They need real human stories, reviews, and tutorials to connect with potential customers. This presents a huge opportunity for you to create user-generated content (UGC) for tech startups. You don't need to be an influencer or have a huge following to get started. You just need a phone, a clean background, and the ability to create authentic, engaging content. Whether it's a quick 30-second review of an app or a tutorial video showing how a product works, there's a massive demand for real, unpolished, relatable content that resonates with audiences. Tech startups are willing to pay for these videos, often offering anywhere from $150 to $400 per video. These one-off gigs can provide a solid lump sum of income, which you can then invest in tokenized real estate or other high-growth assets. The beauty of this side hustle is that it requires very little upfront investment but has a high potential for return. Whether you're filming product demos or reviews, UGC can be a great side hustle that leads to bigger financial opportunities. 4. Digital product micro-bundling. What if I told you that creating and selling digital products doesn't have to mean writing a full book or creating complex courses? Instead, you can start with simple, micro-bundles that solve specific problems for niche audiences. These micro-assets could be templates, checklists, guides, or specialized prompts that are incredibly valuable to a specific group. For example, if you have expertise in personal finance, you could create a budgeting template for Gen Z, or if you're in real estate, you could sell a bundle of 100 prompts for real estate agents. The beauty of these micro-products is that they can be sold on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, where the platform handles most of the back-end work for you. All you need to do is create and upload your product. Once your digital products are listed, they sell passively, meaning you can continue earning income with little to no ongoing effort. This passive income can be directly invested into a high-yield stablecoin account to earn daily interest on your profits. The more products you create, the more income streams you build, making this side hustle a solid way to increase your investment capacity while doing something you're passionate about. 5. Remote expert consultation for AI training. AI companies need human experts to fine-tune their models. These companies rely on specialized platforms to collect feedback on their AI systems. If you have a background in a specialized field like law, medicine, or engineering, you can get paid to help train AI by ranking or correcting AI responses. AI training is essential to ensure that these systems can provide accurate and reliable information, and they need human expertise to make sure the models are correct. This side hustle typically involves working 5 to 10 hours a week but pays high hourly rates due to the specialized nature of the work. You don't need to be a full-time consultant, just offer your expertise during your spare time. Given the high hourly rates for this type of work, it's a great opportunity to earn significant income that you can then invest aggressively in higher risk, higher reward opportunities, such as thematic AI ETFs. This side hustle is perfect for people looking to work in a fast-evolving space, get paid for their expertise, and use the income to power up their investment portfolio. There you have it, 5 powerful side hustles that help you not only earn more but also invest more, turning your extra income into wealth-building tools. Whether it's automating workflows for small businesses, curating niche newsletters, or offering your expertise to AI companies, these side hustles allow you to generate high-margin digital revenue that can be immediately reinvested. If you found these side hustle ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone who could use a boost in their financial journey, and subscribe for more tips on how to build wealth in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.